We're at Whitener408 property, addressing the flooring installation. First off, we have the entry from the dining room to the kitchen threshold has some adhesive from a sticker or whatever, so it should have been cleaned off. Shoe mold has not been installed around this opening and over like it was on the other side. Now the cabinets they're being replaced, and the installer, I informed him when he was here that I would go ahead and do the shoe molding around the cabinet itself. So if he'd leave me some pieces, I would take care of it. But he didn't install, you know, the adjacent pieces or the pieces that are adjacent to those here and there. This threshold wasn't addressed correctly. I will now be putting the threshold on top and having to trim the bottom of the door. So there are a number of places where the baseboard was nicked during the installation. You'll see them all around throughout. There too. There was some issues going on here at this transition strip. I guess there was a miscut or something. It was covered with a piece of transition strip. It doesn't look very well. Very good. Also, you'll notice this piece here is not locked in, or I guess these two pieces are not locked in. They're locked in on each end, but not in the middle here. More nicks. Closet. We have issues again with the shoe molding, or a bad cut, however you want to put it. You can't put shoe molding inside of the opening of the door, so this cut should have been a lot tighter than this. Not a very good cut. I think it should be shoe molded all the way around. And then, of course, the closet didn't get shoe mold all the way around. And you can see the cutting tool left some dust, which was the case throughout the place. There was a little fine layer of dust in a lot of places. We wiped a bunch of it down the shelves, and it was on the trim. There was also some muddy handprints that we cleaned up on the trim, walls, and the door casings. Okay, let's move to the bathroom. We have a threshold or transition that was not addressed as it was in the kitchen entry into the bathroom. Shoe mold throughout, although it was caulked. It was caulked on the top edge and at the joints somewhat. The nail holes were not caulked. Also, if you look, there's again just baseboard was kind of got all soiled and beat up. Shoe mold and baseboard probably should have gotten some paint after that. I mean, the place has been painted, but you would think if you made a mess on your own on the existing paint job, that you would clean up your mess. But anyway, we also got adhesive here on this piece. This piece of shoe mold was not turned to cover up the cut here. It should have been made a 45 there, cut and turned. You can see that, plus nail holes again. Generally, you know, these gaps are not the best looking gaps. If they've been, especially that angle, sitting out here in everybody's face, if they've been caulked and painted, they probably wouldn't have been noticed. But you can see also, again, like I said, the dust is all everything's, it's all new paint, new accessories. So should have all been cleaned off. Anyway, so yeah, there's a lot of caulking and the shoe molding that should have been taken care of. So, and that's that.